This is a capture race challenge for black. This kind of pattern is extremely useful because you see this kind of pattern in games a lot. So if you're more experienced, you should know that black's only move is right here, this bend. Any other move will fail. If black plays this, then white can just bend on the first line, and there's no way black can increase to 3 liberties. Similarly, this will fail, and this will fail as well. Black will only have 2 liberties left. So this move is really important, bending here on the first line. Now white cannot just capture this one stone. Now black has 3 liberties, and will be able to win this race to capture. Whites cannot play this either, because now white must occupy one of the 2 liberties, but once it does that, black can Atari, and white will be forced to capture, and black can win. If white plays here, now black still has 3 liberties left, because white cannot come in this way. White can only connect here first, but this way white will be 1 liberty short. Similarly, it's important to consider white's other moves. If it plays here, in this situation, black can connect here, and now black has 4 liberties, so white will fail. Similarly, this move will fail because black can still connect here and guarantee 4 liberties. What about this move? This move also will fail for white because black can still connect here. Black has 3 liberties left, and if white plays here, then black can win this way. If white plays here, then black can capture number 2. Something like this, to prevent black from making a living shape. But black can win this race to capture very easily after number 5. So now white's strongest move is actually right here, this clamping move. Not intuitive at all, but if you calculate it, it's actually a very good move to make. Black is mostly frozen here on the side, and black can only play this move. And now white can play this and this to start a ko. And this is the optimal result for white. And this should be considered the correct sequence for this problem, because white's strongest response will lead to a ko. In this situation, number 3 cannot connect. Otherwise, white will be able to capture black like this. Black will only have 2 liberties left. If black's number 3 is here, white can play this block and Atari and capture. Now black only has 2 liberties left. And if black plays here, white can bend this way, and this will result also in black's failure. If black comes in here, white can start this ko right away. It is not good for white to try this, because now black can play this move, forcing white to play this, and now black can come into the corner like this. And white can of course Atari from behind, but white will not be able to come in now because of its corner's liberties are limited. So that's why white's number 4 shouldn't be here, and should be here starting this ko instead. So that's the correct sequence to this problem. It's quite complicated, but it's really worthwhile to go through all the possible variations in this pattern, because it will definitely come up in games, and it's very, very important that you know how to calculate this type of situation, because it's almost always very tricky. You need to learn how to navigate all of these potential moves. Good luck, and thank you for watching.